Sanibona bafethu uVanele, so I'm back again with indaba zebhola la South Africa. Latest PSL news bafethu. Kuthiwa iclub yaseNigeria iRemo Stars isiconfirmile kuthiwa izonikeza ama-fans amathikithi amahala. Izonikeza ama-fans amathikithi amahala ngoba beyodlala nje umdlalo with iMamelodi Sundowns second leg, not second leg per se, i-first leg yama-CAF prelims yabo. I-secondary prelim le for iRemo Stars iMamelodi Sundowns ayidlalanga i-first prelim yayo bafethu. So le club le serious ngempela ukuthi ishaye iMamelodi Sundowns because bazolanda wonke ama-fans azobe lapha azongena mahala nje. So iSundowns izotravela la eSouth Africa iye le eNigeria iyozama ukuthi ilwele nje isikhala sokuthi ingene ku-Champions League because iSundowns uma sishawe away iphinde izoshawa home ngeke izidlale iChampions League kule season le. So this is an important game for iMamelodi Sundowns, but I see Sundowns la idlula bafethu kalula. Le club le ayikaze idlale iChampions League since yasungulwa. So I see iMamelodi Sundowns idlulela nje kalula, but ke ungangitshela wona ama comments sithini iscore predictions sa. Kwezinye zeindaba kuthiwa le club le iAS Simba le yodlala neKaizer Chiefs, kuthiwa umphathi wakhona kuthiwa uzobanikeza ibonus fee engango 25,000. I-team nje yasho ukuthi izobanikeza imali engango 25,000 uma ngasiba manage ukushaya iKaizer Chiefs, uma ngasiba manage ukudlulela kumnqantiswano olandelayo okuma group stages weCAF Confed. iKaizer Chiefs bafethu nayo ihambile iyodlala le. Nikhumbuleka bafethu kuthiwa ama games ngeyaza vele ku-TV. Game yeKaizer Chiefs bafethu abaningi bebetsho ukuthi izodlala ku SABC, but ke ngeke izivele igame ku-TV. So besizwe indabeni, so besilalele ngeradio mhlambe mikhona iradio yabo, but ke ngeke siwabone lama game. Same as igame yeOrlando Pirates. Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates bawodlala kwi-country eyodwa bafethu, bawodlala nje kwi-city eyodwa. So lama countries lawa, lama team lawa, lama home matches alama club ngiyeza awanayo ibroadcaster engasibroadcastela le match le. So neOrlando Pirates igame yayo ngesikwazi ukuyibona bafethu ezodlala ngesonto, but ke AS Sundowns izovivezwa bukhoma because eNigeria bafethu ukhona uDStv, khona uDStv Nigeria uzokwazi ukuthi usikhombise ibhola. Kwezinye zendaba namhlanje iTS Galaxy iwelcome ugoalkeeper oqhamuka eNigeria uKayode Bankole. Angifuna uqamba manga, angizazi ngifile kanjani ngalento le, but ke ngokwami mina I feel like la South Africa kumele siyicultivate lethi no goalkeeper bethu, kumele sizenzele lo goalkeeper. Yabo lento le yokulanda goalkeeper bangaphandle abaningi bazogcala kule league le, asitholi ithuba lokuthi sikhethe ugoalkeeper abawurepresent kubafana bafana. Kumele senze njenge-Egypt. iEgypt iyakuvala ukuthi ugoalkeeper bangaphandle bafike lapha bezovimba lapha le eEgypt. Ama-team akhona le Egypt avimbisa ugoalkeeper bakhona eEgypt because they need their goalkeepers to represent them mase beyodlala le. Thina siloke silanda ugoalkeeper bangaphandle, but ke let's see ukuthi umshuti uzokwazi ukuthi ukuvimba lapha kwiTS Galaxy. Vele they are struggling currently, abanabo goalkeeper ba right. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu, the former Kaizer Chiefs and AmaZulu midfielder uKegan Buchanan has announced his retirement from professional football at the age of 33. Umjida bafethu besedlale ama games awu 150 plus ku-PSL, 150 plus games ku-PSL bafethu. Umjida 33 years old usiya retire. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns isisayine umdlalo omusha bafethu uLwandiso Radebe. uLwandiso Radebe una 16 years old ujoyina nje from iSuperSport United, uzojoyina iMamelodi Sundowns adlale kwi-Diski Challenge iMamelodi Sundowns. Kuthiwa ufuna uyojoyina kwi-senior team, asazi ke noma kuzobe impumelelo yini lokho, so because siyayazi iMamelodi Sundowns I believe kakhulu kubafana abancane, but ke ujoyina nje from iSuperSport United uyojoyina iDiski team yeMamelodi Sundowns. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iPelepele FC kwabayaziyo iPelepele FC, this is a feeder team yeOrlando Pirates edlala le ku-ABC Motsepe League. Kuthiwa le club le ngeyisabizwa ngePelepele FC isizobizwa ngeOrlando Pirates. Isizobizwa ngeOrlando Pirates le club le bafethu. Enikhumbula kahle bafethu uJoseph Dukuduku Makhanya akasekho vele kwi-DDC side yeOrlando Pirates, usehambile wayokhoja leli side lile Orlando Pirates. So most yabadlali abasuka kuOrlando Pirates DDC bayahamba bayojoyina le club le iPelepele FC, abangalitholanga ithuba lokuthi bakwazi ukupromote bayahamba bayojoyina le club le, bakwazi ukuthi bathole igame time mase bethola ama-team amaningi abasayine khona. So uJoseph Dukuduku Makhanya uzobe yokhoja lelo side lelo lawo badlali labo. Ukhona no Isasa bafethu nyababona uIsasa, the former Orlando Pirates player, abajida bayasebenzela lapha eZansi. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu the former Cape Town Spurs forward uThelo Musa kuthiwa umjida usejoyine iCape Town City. kuthiwa usejoyine i-Cape Town City after leaving i-Cape Town Spurs. Angazi kwenzakalani lapha, ama-team ase-Cape Town asenkingeni futhi adlelana bodwa abadlali, kuningi nje okwenzakalayo lapha e-Cape Town. Kwezinye zendaba abafethu abamaziyo-ke bayamazi, Julius Mosiamedi, umuntu wangayifuni i-Kaizer Chiefs, ngiyamkhumbula-ke lo mjida lokuthiwa usebonakale evela kwi-Black Leopards. Black Leopards enye yama-club edlala le ku-Motsepe Foundation. Asazi-ke mase-Nedbank i-Kaizer Chiefs itholana phezulu ne-Black Leopards. Ngiyamazi phela loyo muntu. Kwezinye izindaba ey'phume namhlanje abafethu, Bafana isidrophile isikunumber 10. Isikunumber 10 after ku-updateiwe namhlanje ama-wall rankings. Top 10 in Africa, so number 10, mase kuthi emhlabeni jikelele ade so number 55, sesu number 59. Engingakusho nje mina regarding le list le, at least sikhona ku top 10. Yabo, at least sikhona ku top 10, kodwa kumele sikhuphuke manje. Kumele sikhuphuke. Messi win AFCON. I'm not saying so iwina, but mekwenzeka siyiwina, I think singaba mfethu mhlambe number 4. Yabo, sinayo ichance ukuthi sibe number 4. Sidlala ngcono kakhulu kune Nigeria. Sinayo ichance ukuthi sibe number 4. Even number 3, but ke I think sekuyareacha kakhulu lapho. For me I think iSenegal izokwazi ukuthi inqobe le AFCON esiyakuyona. Bafana ngaba nayo ichance, but iSenegal engose singangahlangana nje neSenegal. Sihlangana na kwifinal because masu base game seSenegal. Yo. Abadlali abaphethwe iSenegal. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu engingayithandi, bafethu engizizwe namhlanje kuthiwa iSAFA ileka ifunding for ama-Jimbos bafethu. Ama-Jimbos menikhumbula kahle, they are preparing for under 17 World Cup. Njengoba beprepare nje kuthiwa akakabi khona okutheni okwenziwayo behind the scenes. Akakabi khona okutheni okwenziwayo behind the scenes since uApril. Iyaqala ngo-30 October i-World Cup. Iyaqala ngo-30 October i-World Cup. Nothi siyaqala phese ngo-30 October. Kahle ngokomthetho kumele ngabe siyahamba ngo-30 October. Yabo. Kufana nokuthi iyaqala phela mengisho njalo. Yes, kumele ngabe siyahamba ngo-30 October, yona izoqala ngo-3 November. Asinaso isikhathi esiningi. Kodwa u90% wabadlali. U90% wabadlali ade bedlala i-AFCON abekho, abakaselect. Ama-team amaningi apparently awafuna ukudedela abadlali. I don't know kwenzakalane, but ngokwami mina bakhona abadlala kwi-DDC. Why kungayiwa kuyobhekwa abadlala kwi-DDC? There are many players who are playing in DDC currently. You cannot tell me ukuthi abekho abadlali abaningi aba-under 17 ku-DDC. I'm sure bakhona, but ke ngokwethu bese sithembele kakhulu kwi-Cape Town City. I'm sure i-Cape Town City iyanqaba nabadlali babo because most abadlali abaningi abancane baqhamuka kwi-Cape Town City. I-Cape Town City, they are struggling currently and they need all of their players to help them. I know for a fact ukuthi Emily Witboy i-Cape Town City ngezivuma umdedela, but ke izona ke indaba engizwe